Okay, got a box of 0506 SPx hockey here to open up. Good stuff. Got my little assistant Z here with me, 7-year-old son. Of course, he's looking for the New Jersey Devils cards. He likes the Devils. I like the Rangers. Okay. Base cards. SP Excitement Superstars Ed Belfour, numbered to 99. 26 and 99. That's not bad. Oh, got a rookie. Rookie jersey card, Zach PARISE. It's numbered 1356 of 1499. There's your Devils card. Devils card for my son. You like Zach PARISE? Same name.
Yeah.
Nice. Base cards. Base cards. SP Excitement Superstars Alex Tanguay, 229 of 499. Base cards. We got a Winning Materials Matt Stajan, 101 of 350. Not bad. I think that Zach PARISE one's, I'd just be happy with that in the box. Base cards. Ooh. An SP Excitement rookie card, Anthony Stewart of the Panthers, numbered 2 of 5. Don't know if he's that good though. Numbered to 5, that's really nice, and autographed. Yeah, base cards. Rookie jersey. Evanens of the Montreal Canadiens. Numbered 814 of 1999. Not sure who that is. Many rookies in 0506 product. Base cards. base cards down to 4 packs. SP Excitement Legends, Peter Stasny, 41 of 499. 3 packs left. And base cards. Wow. Here's another winning materials. Brett Hall, Curtis Joseph, numbered 1 of 99. Got first one made, number 1. Pretty cool. And last pack is base cards. Good memorabilia here. PARISE speaks for itself. Okay, thanks for watching. And there's my cat with all the empty packs on her.